Before the first skyscraper touched the clouds, a far older mystery was carved into the desert sands. Over 4,000 years ago, the ancient Egyptians raised monuments that still defy modern explanation. This is the story of a timeless architectural marvel, the enduring puzzle of the pyramids. Around the world, amazing skyscrapers are being built, like the Shanghai Tower, the Shard, and the Burj Khalifa. These are considered some of history's most impressive construction projects. Yet, the ancient Egyptians built the pyramids as tombs for their rulers about 4,500 years ago, and they remain incredible structures today, posing a puzzle to modern minds. How have the pyramids lasted so long? Some researchers believe they were built from solid blocks of rock, cut from nearby limestone and granite, then pulled and stacked. Others suggest an early form of concrete was used, a mixture of limestone, clay, lime, and water. Concrete is a composite material where cement binds aggregates. Ancient Egyptians might have been among the first to discover concrete, a knowledge later lost for centuries. Scientists in France and the United States studied the stones of the pyramids using X-rays and electron microscopes. They found that the stones had a lot of water and contained chemicals different from natural limestone. This led them to suggest that some of the stones were made of poured concrete, indicating a sophisticated understanding of materials. Further scientific analysis revealed that the pyramid stones contained unusual solid rocks in dry Egypt. The scientists guessed that the stones were once in liquid form before they hardened. The chemicals found in the stones were another clue that they weren't natural rock. The chemicals were different from chemicals in limestone or any other rocks found in Egypt. For these reasons, the scientists think the stones were made of poured concrete. Many historians and archaeologists disagree with the concrete theory, believing the pyramid stones were carved nearby, hauled, and stacked. However, no one has fully explained how this was achieved. The Great Pyramid of Khufu, for instance, used over 2 million stones, weighing between 2 to 10 tons each, some pulled up to 147 meters high, all within Khufu's 20-year reign. This monumental task remains a subject of intense debate. The idea that people knew how to make concrete for 1,500 years ago is astonishing, proving ancient Egyptians were greater engineers than often thought. The materials used, limestone, clay, lime, and water, are cheap and readily available. This ancient method could help modern builders reduce costs and create more environmentally friendly structures, as ancient Egyptian concrete was less carbon-intensive than modern cement. The ancient Egyptians wanted to build large, impressive monuments that would last. They succeeded. Their pyramids still rise from the Egyptian desert, inspiring awe and wonder, much like our modern skyscrapers dominate cityscapes. This enduring legacy reminds us of human ingenuity and the timeless pursuit of greatness, bridging millennia with their silent, majestic presence. Thousands of years have passed, and while our cities have grown taller, the pyramids remain silent sentinels of a vanished world. They stand not just as tombs, but as a challenge to every generation that follows, proving that the greatest wonders are not always found in the future, but in the secrets of our ancient past. The puzzle remains, etched in stone, waiting for the day we finally uncover the truth.